going to show you how you can make your own dairy-free vegan berry ice cream. Now it's most delicious, especially served on a summer day. But you might be asking the question, why are we not using any dairy? Well, dairy is a contributing factor to a lot of health problems today, hence why we're using a non-dairy form. So, first of all, we're going to blend up our bananas. Now, with the bananas, you need to make sure that you peel them. Don't dice them up or anything, just as they are. And you're going to put them in the freezer and make sure you leave them for at least 24 hours to freeze. Even longer is even better because we want the right consistency. And if you've got any bananas that are slightly going off, don't throw them away. Keep them, peel them, freeze them, and you can use them for your ice cream. So first of all, we're going to pop them into our food processor and we're going to get going. Now you want to have a really smooth texture with your bananas. So if they're looking a bit clumpy, just carry on using your food processor until it's nice and smooth. Now, as you can see, the color has started to look a bit paler and the consistency is a beautiful creamy consistency. So now we're ready to add our honey. Now, I'm going to be putting in 3 tablespoons of honey. You can use agave or maple syrup or whatever sweetener you would like. And next, we're going to add a teaspoon of pure vanilla. This is a paste using whole vanilla beans. And we're just going to whiz it up again. Now, if you like, your ice cream can be served just as it is if you like just plain vanilla ice cream without any berries in it. So if you're going to have it just plain, you pop it in the freezer for about an hour and it's ready to serve. But today we're going to be using berries. So now we'll be adding our berries, and it is 1.5 cups of berries. All right, we're just going to pop the lid on. Now, if you like your ice cream a little bit chunky, then you'd probably want to stop your food processor and not blend it too much. But if you like it really smooth, you can blend it a bit longer. Last ingredient, we'll be adding our coconut cream. Now, I have to mention that there are many different kinds of coconut creams on the market. The particular one that you're going to need to use for this recipe is a coconut cream that doesn't have any emulsifiers in it. Because what we want is to have just the fat part of the coconut cream. So the water part you want to not add into your ice cream because it will make it too runny. As you can see, it's really, really thick. And that helps to give a nice texture to our ice cream. Now that our ice cream is nicely blended, we're going to add it to our bowl. Now, as you can see, it's still a little bit runny, so you're going to want to pop it in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half, but you can have it just as it is. You can serve it on your granola or on your waffles or whatever you would like, but it's best served after it's been in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half. The kids will absolutely love it. Just mention the word ice cream. It's got no refined sugar, it's very delicious, and you can use any kind of fruit that you would like. So frozen mango, strawberries, blueberries, whatever you like. Another thing that I wanted to mention was the coconut cream. The liquid part of the coconut cream that's left over, don't throw it away because you can use it in your smoothies, so you can still use it. I really hope that you enjoy your berry delicious ice cream.